Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome along to this week's assembly. Just a short introduction video from myself today to help you navigate your way through this week's assembly. And it's, as usual, a bumper assembly for you. We've got our usual features of On This Day and our National Awareness Weeks or months. We've got loads of brilliant pictures in our Health Week review. Thank you so much to the pupils and to the parents, and some pictures from the staff as well. Lots of engagement with that last week, and it was a tremendous health week. I've then got a short video to show you on nature and mental health. On the BBC at the moment is the annual Spring Watch show presented by Chris Packham, and he speaks candidly about the impact of nature and bird watching on mental health. He speaks about some of the different chemical reactions that go on in your brain, which is what I spoke to you about a couple of weeks ago, about when you were being kind and saying kind things to other people. So he brings that into a nature aspect, which is really fascinating. And then the final video is a link to the NSPCC assembly that went out live this morning, which was hosted by none other than Ant and Dec. So I've put the YouTube link to that video at the very end of the assembly. So as you navigate your way through, you'll come to the On This Day. So we've got in 1977, the Apple II, one of the first actually useful PCs or computers, went on sale. So that was in 1977. Going back 100 years before that, Alexander Graham Bell made the first ever voice transmission on this day via a telephone. And in 1944, D-Day began during World War II, where British, American, Canadian, the Allied troops landed in France and started the fight back against Nazi Germany. And in 1940, the singer Tom Jones was born on this day. So Tom Jones's birthday this weekend. Maybe that'll appeal to some of the parents rather than the pupils. Couple of awareness weeks just to be aware of. Bike Week which is delivered by Cycling UK. They've got a range of alternative activities to do, which follow the current guidelines by the government. So I've put a link to that website for those cycling enthusiasts that want to get involved in that. And then there's also something called the Big Lunch, and you can get a free activity pack to look at. And I've put the link to the website. After that, you'll then come to the Health Week review. So we had Mindful Monday, we had Tasty Tuesday, we had Wellness Wednesday, and we had Thoughtful Thursday, and we finished with Fitness Friday. So we've got a range of different videos and pictures for you to look at from all the classes, which is fantastic. So once you've navigated your way through that, you'll then come to our final two videos. We've got Spring Watch 2020. I've put on that I recommend watching the section from 35 to 46 minutes if you've got time, because that's the one that really talks about nature and your mental health. And then the final page is a link to the live video that went out this morning with Ant and Dec. So I'll leave it there. Hopefully you all have had a good week, and I hope that you all have a lovely weekend and make the most of the sunshine if there is any, and have a great one. Take care, guys.